Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning in Economics. Today I discuss about the part B of question paper 2014. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू मेंबर हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। आज के वीडियो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज के वीडियो है पार्ट बी। In which type of money the face value is higher than the intrinsic value? Face value is higher than the intrinsic value is the credit money. Credit money is, answer is credit money. Define final goods. Goods and services are purchased for the production for satisfy of particular goods for final investment. And final goods are two types. One is consumer goods and another is capital goods. Consumer goods are those goods which are used for consumption, but in capital goods are those goods which are purchased by the investment. And what is bank rate? Bank rate is a rate at which central bank lends money to the commercial bank. Which type of budget should the government prepare in terms of inflation? Answer is surplus budget. Give one example of non-tax revenue, gifts and grants. What is invisible goods? Trades in services is called invisible goods because goods are not seen to across national borders. And distinguish between gross investment and net investment. Gross investment means total additions of capital good to the existing wage rate in an economic year is called gross investment, and net investment means due to their regular use capital goods value decreases when the net investment found in the difference between the gross investment and depreciations. What is personal disposable income? Personal disposable income क्या है? Personal disposable income is the income of the individual after deducing the personal tax, means minus the personal tax. PDI equal to personal income minus personal tax payment minus personal non-tax payment. The marginal propensity to consume MPC of an economy is 0.9, and suppose an additional sum of rupees 500 crores in investment, and how much of its new income will be generated in the economy. And the answer is MPC equal to 0.9 and I means investment and change in income question mark. K equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC and then formula put किया और आंसर 5000. आप लोग ये आंसर को स्क्रीनशॉट कर लेना व नोट कर लेना. Current and capital account is the two account. What does the revenue account of a government budget contain? The government budget contains the revenue expenditure and revenue receipts of the individual. Distinguish between consumer goods and capital goods. Consumer good means these goods satisfy human want directly, and capital good, these goods satisfy human want indirectly. Consumer good used by the used by the consumer, and the capital goods they are used by producer. And the another numerical is the autonomous consumption of an individual is rupees 500 and its personal disposable income is 5000, and if the marginal propensity to consume is 0.8, and find the level of aggregate consumption. And the answer is 4500. MPC equal to 0.8, Y means income, Z bar means consumption. This is the answer. And what is investment multiplier, and explain with the help of diagram. Investment multiplier is the ratio between change in income and change in investment. And we also write down the briefly explain about the diagrams of investment multiplier. I will show you full answer. Investment multiplier in simple word we can understand that it is the ratio between change in income and change in investment, and this is the diagram of investment multiplier. And 25 is Distinguish between balance of trade and balance of payment. Balance of trade means it is the trade that the account clue of import and export of visible item, only visible item. But in balance of payment, there are the accounts which related to goods and services. It trades only current and capital income. In balance of trade, only current and capital account include, but in balance of payment, only capital account is include. And another difference is in balance of trade, there are increase or decrease in the economy. But in the balance of payment, it only balance between the account of year. Balance of trade, there are the capital and current account, but in balance of payment, only capital account. In balance of trade, increase or decrease in the economy, but in balance of payment, this is the balance between the accounting year. And another is distinguish between planned and non-planned expenditure. Planned expenditure means construction of road, for example, construction of road, proper shelter, etc. And planned expenditure means something planning for earlier. It is the expenditure of the government incurred system of budget. For example, construction of road, this is the planned expenditure. And non-planned expenditure means non-planned expenditure is the daily routine in the budgetary system. For example, expenditure on the relief measures for flood victims. And another example is expenditure on the normal functioning of police and judiciary. Explain the circular flow of income. Circular flow of income in a simplified economy with two sectors, households and farms. Circular flow of income refers to the flow of goods and services across different sectors of an economy. मैं आप लोगों को सब एक्सप्लेन करके दे रही हूँ, आप लोग फिर भी चेक करना। अगर आपको कोई मिस्टेक हुए तो आप मेरे वीडियो को चेकआउट ज़रूर करना। And this is the diagrams of circular flow of income in two sectors, producer sectors and household sectors. आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट कर लेना या बुक पे भी देख लेना। Explain the functions of RBI. RBI means Reserve Bank of India. First function is issue of currency. The central bank enjoys sole of monopoly of issuing currency in order to secure control over the volume of currency and credit. This is sometimes called the issue of currency. And another function is banker to the banks. It is the another functions of central bank. And another function is lender of the last resort. Central bank act as the sender of last resort. If a commercial bank is faced with financial crisis, then only one institution can finally come to rescue in the bank. And another is cleaning house function. And this is the functions of RBI. Or another option is describe the speculative demand for money. ये आपको बुक में पूरे डिटेल्स में मिल जाएगा, आप उससे आंसर लिख लेना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।